Oven Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in oven repair, wall oven repair, double oven repair, gas oven repair, electric oven repair, along with all other oven models. We specialize in all brands of ovens such as Whirlpool oven repair, Sears oven repair, Kenmore oven repair, Frigidaire oven repair, Wolf oven repair, Viking oven repair, Bosch oven repair, and much more. No matter what's wrong with your oven, maybe your oven won't heat, or your oven doesn't bake evenly, or your oven has broiler problems, or your oven has a temperature problem. Maybe the oven's light is out, or the oven won't turn off. Maybe the oven won't turn on, or the oven has a self-cleaning problem. Maybe your oven door needs replaced, or your oven fan keeps running. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.